Grammatically correct. It sounds slightly less natural in everyday usage. Explanation, good answer. This phrase is used to describe someone's skill or ability in a specific activity such as playing sports, learning a language, or doing math. This phrase can be used to describe someone's proficiency in a subject or field, but is less common than good answer for general ability. It can also be used in more specific contexts like being good in a particular subject. In case of he is good at mathematics or he is good in mathematics, the question is more common and sounds more natural. He is good at mathematics.
Next, what is correct? Good at or good in English? If you are meaning to say that he is good in at English or writing English, then you would say he is good at English. While if you are meaning to say that he is good in English class, then you should say he is good in English class. If you were meaning to say that he is good at speaking or writing, then you would say at. While if you were meaning to say that he is good he is good in an English class, then you would say he is good in English class.
Don't say I'm saying but you say proper.
Upon me doubt है upon me doubt है
Upon and on, you see upon and on. See na upon. On table.
The calculator will
On or
check location upon the table. It indicates something is placed on the table. The cat sat upon the cushion. This shows the cat sitting on the cushion. They built their city upon a hill. This means city is located on top of the hill. So calculator upon the table.
on.
Timing upon arriving this means soon as the reason party upon completing your work.
That is upon.
That ये क्या upon the table this indicates something place or surface. The cat is sitting. Cat sat upon the cushion. This shows cat is sitting on the cushion.
Things are aligned. Is on the table only. One more thing that's the car which and that when they come there are certain different stages. On the bus, in the car, like that we will say. What you know? In the train. And on the train we will say. Why? Because we see go get inside and go to train and we can move around. Then we will say like on the you see on the train or something like that. Something is there like an on the bus. In car we can't move, so we will say in the car.
The correct phrasing is on the car. On the train.
On the train.
While you might specify train, overall concept on the train. We used to refer to train as a whole, especially when traveling as a passenger. In the train, it would be used if you are specifically inside one of the train cars. In the train would be used if you are specifically inside one. For other modes of travel, you might use in. For other modes of travel, you might use in the smaller vehicle like car, taxi, or the larger vehicle like bus and on board. तो बड़े होंगे ना उसमें ऑन आएगा, तो छोटे होंगे ना उसमें इन आएगा.
बस इस तरह है तो कार usually है. Okay. It means we can't.
सिंपल है, छोटे में इन आएगा, बड़े में वहाँ आएगा. और क्या है?
My Ukuma can see all these dramas actually. My subtitles leads to my see that side there are actually so many things are there in our phone. We get used.
और बता.
और बात करता. Off and off. Came off. Like I came off from my Facebook. I came off. Oh yes, I came off from my Facebook. Oh yes, we have to do.
Off typically distinct means same meaning. Distinct का मतलब क्या होता है?
This is not same, but
Different.
no. Like
Similar. Distinct का meaning क्या होता है?
about like specific analysis. Clear, mention ना specific clear ये चीज है क्या और आंसर specific clearly
कौन सा बोलते हैं ऑफ वाला? वो डबल वाला काम है ऑलरेडी. वो डबल आ गया, वो आप आएगा इसका. इस राइट साइड ऑफ कैंसर
हाँ okay
डबल हो गया.
no yes sorry हाँ or if a means down on every subject place or a position on something okay every subject a place or a position on something that usually the word means remove or separation of like of remove or separate off means separate from the